Good afternoon. Tonight's homework is going to be reviewing what we did in class today and about 3 practice problems. Using the area model, we're going to use that to multiply the decimals. Our problem we're going to use is 2/10 times 7/10. We're going to shade in 2/10 on one axis, and we're going to shade 7/10 on the other axis in different colors. And so our 7/10 will be shaded in going this way. Sorry, since I get my pen going this way. And our 2/10 will be going down this way. So let's look at our next slide and see what we have. And we have already done this. And so the 2/10, we have 2/10 coming down, and you see that as I just moved the whole thing there for you. We see that here. Here's our 2/10 going down, and then here we have 7 going across. When you can count those, we've got 1, 2 going down, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 going across. So our area model now has this neat little shape to it. Kind of looks like a flag. But the area we're concerned about is what is in both of them. What is in both? And this would be this area here. So now when we look at that little cleaner version, we see that as we count these, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 out of 100, which is our fraction here that says 14 hundredths. That can also be said as 14 out of 100. Written as a decimal, we still say 14 hundredths. And tonight's homework, using the area model we just reviewed, solve the following problems. Be sure to use a 10 by 10 grid for each one. 9/10 times 5/10, 4/10 times 7/10, and 6/10 times 8/10. If we kind of estimate like we did in class earlier when we saw the video, we know that 9 is about 1 whole, so that is about 1, and 0.5 is half, so half of 1 should be close to a half, which is 5/10. So your answer should be close to that. And we look at this other one, we've got about half of 7/10, and that would be about 3/10 maybe. So see if you come up with an answer that is close to 3/10. And then we have 6/10 of 8/10. 6/10 is a little bit more of 1/2, and we know half of 8 is 4. And so it should be a little bit more than 4/10. Okay, good luck with these, and we'll check these tomorrow in class.